Hello, my name's Elle Parry, and I am the Group Research and Development Manager for AM Healthcare. So AM Healthcare is a parent company, and they house the brand Crispin Orthotics, which is our 3D printing brand. So within Crispin, we use 3D printing for end-use prosthetic and orthotic products. We have currently 5 MJF machines. So we have 4 PA12 machines and 1 TPU machine. And vapor smoothing from AMT is an integral part of our process. So today we're showing some of our orthotic products. So we print in PA12 white, which once vapor smooth gives us a lovely canvas to apply color. We do a wide range of pediatric and adult devices. So particularly for pediatric patients, they really enjoy the ability to customize their devices and apply some bright, vibrant colors. We also find that with vapor smoothing, we have a much nicer surface finish. So that allows us to not line some of our products, which makes our overall manufacturing process much more efficient. We also have higher durability because the lining tends to break down over time. So once we vapor smooth, we don't have to line the parts, so they last a lot longer for the patient. We also really appreciate the fact that it seals the parts, so it makes them much easier to clean, much more patient-friendly. So of our 2 new MJF machines, we plan to run one with TPU. So the plan going forward is to utilize our vapor smoother to smooth our TPU products. And we've recently invested in the DP and SB machine from AMT. And we plan to fully automate our post-processing of PA12 using that technology and keep the vapor smoothing purely for our TPU product range.
Hi, I'm Sam Martin. I'm the European Channel Sales Manager for AMT, and we're here at Formnext 2025. We've partnered with HP, the industrial leader in additive manufacturing, because they're able to deliver industrial high-quality parts quickly and reliably. AMT is a full automated post-processing company dedicated for vapor smoothing, depowdering, and surface blasting. In 2025, we've announced the release of the Post Pro Unpack, which adds to our portfolio for full automated unpacking.